Today we're going to create these little sticky note birds. They're very simple and a fun way to send messages. Take your bird stencil and place it on your Post-it note where the sticky side is down, so you have the most sticky part after it's cut out, and then you just take scissors and cut it out. I usually cut out 2 or 3 at a time. This bird Post-it note, I take a stencil, just any kind of drawing of a bird that you want, and just cut it out. So you just take the bird and then cut it out. Then you can doodle on it and create a little message. Have fun.